Hello everyone, this video is about the error AD3D11 compatible GPU. So if you're trying to open any games and you're receiving this error, then in this video I will share a few methods to try and fix this problem. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we need to open up the settings. So to do that, right click on Windows Start button and select Settings. You need to make sure your Windows and your game is up to date. So click on Windows Update at the bottom in here. And then over here, just click on check for updates. If there is any updates available, then it should appear in here just like this one. All you need to do is just click on download and install it. So if there was any update, just try to install it, and once it's completed, you can also check to see if your Valorant or games that you're playing requires any update. Update all and restart your computer. And the next method is to check to see if your graphic card is up to date. So to do that, right click on Windows Start button. And from here, select Device Manager. So once you open up the Device Manager, then look for Display Adapters. Double click on it and expand it. Underneath, you should see your graphic card driver. So if you have two, then you need to update both of them. In my case, I have one. So what we need to do is just right click on it and select Update Driver. And choose this option, Search automatically for drivers. If you also get this message, then your graphic card is up to date. And if it's not, then automatically we look for any updates that is available for your graphic card driver. The next solution is to go to this website and download these 3 Visual C+ files. The link will be in the description for you to access this website. So go ahead and just click on them one by one and download them. So once the download is completed, just open it up and run it on your computer. Select this one to agree the license agreement and then click on install. Do the same thing, open up the other 2 files that you've just downloaded and run them on your computer. And next we need to go to this website to download the DirectX end user runtime web installer. This website's link also will be in the video description. So in here you need to select the language that you want and then click on download. Once the download is completed, open it up. Accept the agreement and click next. And you can uncheck this one if you don't want the Bing bar. And click next. Next again. The setup might take a bit of time, so you need to be patient. And once it's completed, then you need to restart your computer. After you restarted your device, then try to open up the game and run it as administrator. One of these solutions should fix this error, but if you're still having an issue, then I suggest you reinstall the game. If any of these solutions work for you, then please let me know in the comments. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.